everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Kay and happy new year to everyone watching this video. Yes, it's been a minute since I uploaded a video. It's been a really busy holiday season and I'm just getting barely into the swing of things for January, so y'all know how it is. But today's video is none other than a review and demo of two items, well, mainly one, because I'm going to be reviewing the stamper from Beauty Big Bang, and then of course I will be talking about the scraper that came with the set as well. Like, look how gorgeous that scraper is. Oh, be still my heart. All right, so to save a little bit time off of this video, I'm actually just going to jump straight on into it, but let me just show you guys real quickly. I am going to be using two stamping plates just to kind of show you how that stamper picks up images, how the scraper scrapes the polishes off. I'm not going to mention names of company because this mainly is focusing on Beauty Big Bang, but these are the two stamping plates that I'm going to incorporate. Y'all know Valentine's Day is coming up, okay? Can we talk? Anyway, love that plate. All right, so I'm also going to be using some regular as well as some stamping polishes, which you guys have seen me use a few of these polishes before in other videos. So to prevent myself from rambling on super long, I'm just going to lay down a napkin here and go ahead and get one of the stamping plates kind of sort of centered here, and I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see a whole lot better as to how the stamper and scraper are going to pick up. One thing that I do like about this is mainly the color and the fact that it does come with the cap, even though I do have, I think I got a little bit of acetone on the cap when I was cleaning out the stamping plates. It does not have any sort of backing on the back of it, so one thing you have to be mindful of is when you go to press the image down on your nail, that there will be some give to the stamper head. I do love the fact that it is extremely clear. I don't see any blemishes or anything, not even any tearing around the edge of the stamper head itself, which that alone is amazing and exciting. So I'm just going to put a little bit of acetone on my cotton round here that I've got to the side, and let's go ahead and get into it. I am going to be showing you guys the images on my lint roller. I can't remember if I mentioned that or not because I don't want to mess up my nails, because I'm going to be doing a nail design over these shortly after this video. So hopefully you guys don't mind. I know some of you prefer the images to be shown on the nail, but you kind of sort of will get the gist with the lint roller as well. So let's just pick an image. I want to pick something like this right here because it does have a lot of space. It's got a little bit of fine lines, and I'm not going to use too much polish, but I want to use enough polish. Oh, I'm gonna try this image next. Wow, I don't know if you guys can see. You probably cannot see how that picked up, but let me kind of sort of. Oh, yes. I don't know if you can actually see how that picked up or not. Just disregard that crap at the top there. Looks like I have some lint on it, but look how well that picked up. And when I look at the image itself, I do not see, there's no ball patches, there's nothing. I'm gonna go to this image right below here because I got some polish on that one and it has some fine lines in it, so I'm going to use a black stamping polish. The first polish is just a regular polish. This is a actual stamping polish, so it is made to stamp with. So go ahead and use that. Ooh, ooh, that picked up so good. Picked up so well. Let me just start off the extra. You guys can see the image as I'm just kind of like cleaning out the stamper. Look at that. I mean, it picked up every detail. And I'm gonna be honest, I was kind of concerned with this stamper because the fact that it didn't have a bottom to prevent the air flow from coming into the stamper. And basically what that does is it keeps the stamper head from concaving, if that makes sense. It keeps it from actually being sucked in. But I think this is made really well. It does have a lip right on the inside, so it's made really, really well. So that was something that I was kind of concerned with in the beginning, but truthfully, I'm really, really amazed. I really, really I'm loving this stamper. Like, clear stampers is one of my things. You know, ever since they came out, it's just one of those things that is very easily easily found, and it's kind of sort of easy to use depending on the person. Let me go for this little image over here. Ooh, I think I scraped wrong, and I don't know if that's gonna pick up because oh shoot, it did pick up. Okay, that surprised me. Okay, it did not pick up as well as what it may look on the stamper, and the reason I'm saying that is because it might be a little harder to see on camera, but you can see some little bald patches in the image. But I think that's because I left some polish on the stamping plate, so we're gonna try it again. I think I had a little bit too much polish. Let me adjust the plate as well. Sometimes when the image is acting up, adjusting the plate and the direction in which you scrape can also be beneficial. I'm not going to use a whole lot because, see, that turned out to be a mistake the last time. There we go. Oh man, now that picked up extremely well. You probably can see it better on the stamper than you can actually see on the lint roller. That picked up extremely well. So that was user error, not stamping error. So see the differences. Hopefully you can see the differences, like right here on the side versus over here on the side. And I tried to get some of the same pieces in. I know it's kind of sort of hard to do that, but you can really, really tell that this picked up way better than the first one. So let's switch stamping plates here. Let's go in with this stamping plate, and let's go in with a gold. I'm like, off the bat, I'm looking for some really fine detail work, so let's try this little heart right here at the bottom. Matter of fact, I'm gonna try to pick up 2 of these hearts, maybe a few of the little items around it. I love the way this scraper, oh wow, I have that upside down, but wow. I love the way the scraper is actually scraping the polish away. I like the feel of the scraper. It feels really, really nice, and it's not, you know how some scrapers can be kind of sort of jagged on the edges. It's not jagged at all. This is actually really, really nice. It's picking up extremely well. Let's go to, I really want to get, and even the details in the heart picked up really well, by the way. I want to get this image, so I actually kind of want to get a couple more images on this plate. So I'm going to try to work quick to show you guys, because I don't want to keep you guys here for like 20 minutes just talking about my love of, wow. And I'm going to tell you guys, I've never used these 2 plates. I've never done a video with these 2 plates, and actually I haven't even swatched these 2. I got the plates and they went into my collection, so definitely gonna have to use these in a video for sure with the stamper. But look at the detail. I don't know if you guys can tell the detail on the heart. Like, it's just crazy. It's amazing. I think I'm gonna do one more image. Let's go for, you can't see that, I'm all out of frame. I'm gonna go for this image right here and try to get some stuff around it. So let's try to get some other things around it, and then I'll just kind of tell you guys, not that you don't already know how I feel, but oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, I think you guys can pretty much tell how I feel. Can't you tell how I feel just from my initial reactions? So you can see, especially this image, that was the image I was going for. You can definitely see the detail in this image. I mean, so you guys can clearly hear my thoughts about the stamper and scraper set. I mean, It picks up well. I thought I was going to have an issue, like I said, with the bottom, there not being any sort of cap or anything at the bottom to prevent airflow. But truthfully, I really had no issue. It was almost just like using any other clear stamper that I own. I will say, if you are new, the main thing you have to keep in mind if you decide to purchase this stamper is that when you go to pick your image up and you go to press your image down, just don't put too much pressure on the nail, because that then will cause the stamper head to kind of go in just a little bit. And this scraper, y'all, I mean, I love the fact, and I mentioned this before, there's no rough edges. When they produced the scraper, they produced it really well. There's no jagged edges. You know how some scraping cars can have like little frays of plastic around the edge? Nothing. And even I was kind of concerned with the way it was going to act when I took the acetone to remove the polish off. So I'm going to show you guys like real quick. I was thinking that these images would literally just like wipe away, but I think the images are kind of in between two additional pieces of plastic. So the images did not wipe away at all. They stayed right there on the scraper. So if you have the time, definitely go check out Beauty Big Bang. I do have a link below in the description box to this particular item, as well as their overall website and my coupon codes. If you have a chance to go check them out, please do so. If my coupon code is used, I can't remember how many times, they will sponsor a giveaway for my channel. So hopefully that'll be a goal for 2018, so Beauty Big Bang can give you guys some items to win for yourself, especially if you've never tried the company out, you've been on the fence. I definitely think that this company is up and coming, and I can't wait to see what they do in 2018. So with that being said, I thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy your morning, afternoon, night, day, evening, wherever you are in the world, whenever you're watching this video. Blessings to you and your family, guys. Bye.